Hello, welcome back to the Broken Doll. Okay, I'm coming back to you again, number 2. And I want you to see the difference why I didn't choose paint number 1 from my first video. See the difference between the two? Just such a difference. This is so strong. But it's nice to see the different colors. You want to keep it in the red. This is more like a purpley red, and that's why it's just too violent for her, like just too much. And whether this is more subtle. So we're going to go back to this again, and we're going to take out our Brilliant Oil Paint Red. I'm going to put it on my plate. I'm not going to thin it down as much. Don't need a whole lot because you're just using a little bit for the lips. So I just want a little bit this time. I want to really try just a tiny little amount. So let's try this brush. Just dunk it in. Yeah, there we go. That looks, oh, still a little cakey. Just a little cakey. Yeah. Still a little on the cakey side. Gotta be so careful because you can goop it up really quick, and yeah, there we go. Starting to get a little bit better. There we are. Yeah, I think this looks a lot nicer now. I can apply this a lot. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Just a titch more, and that's it. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, I was just too overzealous with the thinner on the first one. Oh yeah, that's so nice. Yeah, look how you can just make your, yeah, so that's what you want. Okay, so we're going to work with that. Again, your head upside down, and we're going to get some paint on our brush, and let's try this again. It needs, that last time just looked too white. Oh yeah, so much different. So much different. The difference is great. Oh, wonderful. Look at that. How nice that's turning out. Okay, now I'm going to get down here in her lip area. You know what? I need another pair of glasses on. I can feel it in my eyes. My eyes are straining, and I'm like, okay, that's not working for me. I need another pair of glasses. I keep extras in here. Okay, here we go. Just for this, I just put a pair on top of my glasses, another pair on top. I mean, I'm seeing right now as I'm standing double, but when I get down to this doll here, yeah, oh, it's so much nicer. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's better. Now I can really see. Okay, I want you to see this too, so. You see how careful I'm trying to make this down here just a little thicker. Right around this area, you want to come out a little bit more on the lips.
Are you recording?
Yes. That's okay. Don't worry. It's all right. So you want to come right down. Oh, that looks nice. Oh my goodness, that turned out really nice. Really happy with that. And my paint is nice and thick. Yes. Okay. Wow. What do you think of that, everybody? Now that looks nice. It's a nice happy smile. Very nice straight lines. There we go. All right, there we go. There's her bottom lip done. I hope you're seeing that. Okay, now we got to work on the top one, and that's the one that gets me. Woo-hoo-hoo. Here we go. This is the one you got to be very adamant about here. Now we're going to be very careful with. Okay. Hope you're seeing this. I hope I'm in the right. I'm trying to go right up to the edge right now, where her teeth will be coming up to it. And make sure I get that part first. That's the part I'm going to go for right now. Right up into that edge. Right around. Even I might even it might be painting a little bit even on the inside, which is fine. It'll all dry. Okay. Now we come up and do the next layer. Don't rush it. Layer by layer, you want to just thicken it up a bit. And you want to make like a little ball up in this area, just a little thicker. See how I'm just playing with it up there and just making it thicker? One thing about oil paint compared to acrylic, it doesn't dry right away. So your paint will stay very moist on there. Just make sure there's no other paint on my hand because I'm a lefty. So, gotta get my grip, I call it here. What do you think? Looking pretty good? Okay, I gotta take my glass, that other pair of glasses off now so I can see better. Oh, that looks so much nice. That looks nice. Okay. Wow. I think that turned out pretty good. I'll put those glasses back on for a second. Okay. It's all about a steady hand, too. I think that looks pretty good. I think I'm happy with that. That looks nice. I'll put that down in there for right now. Yeah, that looks nice. I'm going to bring the camera so that you can see it this way. Let me see if I can get you off of here without disturbing you too much. There we go. Now, there we go. What do you think? I think that turned out pretty good. I think that's quite nice. I can see just a little, oh no, I'm looking at the camera here. It could use, maybe it's just the way the light's hitting it. Oh no, it's there. I don't need to do anything. Okay, it's just the way the light was hitting it. But anyways, I think she looks pretty good. I'm going out of focus here. There we go. Yeah, that looks nice. She doesn't have much of a lip. If you go look at the Shirley Temples, there's not much showing on the top. The top doesn't have much to show. More on the bottom than there is at the top. Oh, wow, that looks nice. Well, I hope you like what you see here. I think she's looking pretty good here. All right, everybody. We'll let this dry, and then we'll be doing the eyes next. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.